Hey guys, Russ Hockenberry here, and I'm here to tell you about a student engagement tool that's kind of hidden on your smartboard that you probably don't know it's there, but it is a really cool thing you can start using with your students today. So, it'll take me about 30 seconds to show you. Here we go. You're going to open up your whiteboard on your smartboard. You are going to look over on the side here. You got your pencil, you got your select tool, your widgets, your add images, and then right above the up arrow is a plus. If you tap on the plus, you are going to see, you may not even know that is there, right? If not, explore this. You're going to see Shout It Out up here. It says Shout It Out. It's a blue box with 3 little dialog boxes. Click on that Shout It Out. And when you click on that Shout It Out, you're going to hit Start for Class. And when you hit Start for Class, you're going to watch for the magic star that's going to appear right here, right above your back button, your undo button. So when this star appears, you tap on it, and you've got buzzers. Wow, how cool is that? So you also have a randomizer. So here's how I might use this in class. With my randomizer, I can open this up. It says, what would you like to randomize? We're going to randomize numbers. If our kids are numbered, this works excellently. I'm going to bring up numbers. Let's say I've got 27 kids in my class. All right, so I've got 27 students. I'm going to tap on the hat, and I might say, student number 10, come up to the board. All right, pick again. Student number 22, come up to the board. All right, awesome. We're good. Dismiss. Go back to my star. Bring up the buzzers now. So I've got student number 10, student number 22 on the board. They come up, and I might ask them a question about content. Or, you know, remember the old math wars? You had 2 kids coming to the board, and they had to do the problem on the board, and they put their erasers down. This is that. So you've got 2 buzzers up here. You got student number 10, student number 22, and then we're going to ask them a question and have them ring in. Buzzers. How awesome is that? And you can go up to 4 students. You can have up to 4 students doing this at one time. And you may not have known it was there.